Hi, I'm Cliff Gaines, Director of Choral Activities at Harding University, and I'm here with my faculty favorites book recommendation. The book that I've chosen is Blue Like Jazz by Donald Miller. As Miller describes it, it's non-religious thoughts on Christian spirituality. Miller certainly did not intend to be religious. He was a normal, yuppie, postmodernist youngster and stumbled across sin in his life and discovered it was real and discovered that Jesus had a real remedy for that. He came into this Christianity in a very different way than many of us do. He didn't grow up with it. I think this book communicates in a very effective way. Miller is as insightful as Gary Trudeau. He's as witty as David Sedaris, has a lot of very interesting stories. And I think you'll enjoy this read and you'll enjoy talking about it with your friends. So I highly recommend to you Blue Like Jazz. It's not about music, it's about life.